Ow! Wow, that is fucking lucky as shit. Check this out. Where I normally have my GoPro mounted, the mount broke and it fell off in the middle of the road right up there. I'd gone up that way, down, and I was heading down that road over there, Empire I think it is, and I noticed my GoPro was missing. So I started a round trip and it's still recording. The lens is scratched. I don't know how much that's interfering with the interference, but it's still recording, dude. Unbelievable. All I can say right now is today's one of my luckiest days I've had in a long time. I was due for this. Everything's been going bad. Twice I get lucky in the same day, same ride. So when I left, it was all blue skies, and there's monsoons coming today. They even shut down Main Street because of it, and I just now made it home just in time for the big shit. I can't believe I found my GoPro that I lost within a minute of losing it. All right, so that's it for today. Let's see, how many miles did we get? Only 12 miles, but I really wasn't expecting to go out today. So now I gotta find a new mount for my handlebars for my GoPro, because this one don't work anymore. Okay, this was the GoPro mount. I liked it because right here had a nut that would give you another swivel there. So it kind of gave you an X, Y, and Z axis of adjustments, but it came apart and or broke right in there. Two pieces. That went on the ground with the GoPro. It stayed with me on my bike. Today, I was a lucky son of a bitch.